How to add or remove the NVIDIA GPU Activity notification area icon on the taskbar in Windows. If you're running an NVIDIA GPU on Windows 10 or 11, there's a simple tool that often goes under the radar: the NVIDIA GPU Activity icon. This system tray icon shows you which apps are using your dedicated graphics processor in real time. In this video, we'll outline how to add or remove the NVIDIA GPU Activity notification area icon on your Windows taskbar. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to add or remove the NVIDIA GPU Activity icon. The GPU Activity icon lives in the notification area of the taskbar. When enabled, it displays a list of applications actively using the NVIDIA GPU. It's helpful for identifying background processes hogging resources or confirming that apps are utilizing your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. If you're not someone who checks GPU usage often, disabling the icon can help maintain a cleaner, more minimal taskbar experience. Method 1. Using the NVIDIA control panel. This is the easiest and most direct method to manage the icon. Right-click your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. In the menu bar at the top, click Desktop. Then look for Display GPU Activity icon in Notification Area and simply toggle it depending on if you want the icon enabled or disabled. You should now see the NVIDIA GPU Activity icon appear in the taskbar if enabled or disappear if disabled. Method 2. Using the Windows taskbar settings. This is more about managing what icons are visible, especially if the GPU icon is already enabled but not showing. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to the notification area and click Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Find NVIDIA GPU Activity and toggle it on or off. This method is also useful if you're managing multiple machines and prefer centralized taskbar settings via script or group policy, GPO. Troubleshooting tips. You may run into a few issues when adding or removing the NVIDIA GPU icon from your Windows taskbar. Here's what to do. The GPU Activity icon is missing even after enabling it. First, try restarting the NVIDIA Display Container LS service. First, press Window+R and type services.msc. Find NVIDIA Display Container LS, right-click, and select Restart. If that doesn't work, you'll need to restart Windows Explorer. To do so, open Task Manager and look for Windows Explorer within the Processes tab. Right-click, then choose Restart. NVIDIA Control Panel is missing. If the entire control panel is missing, you might be dealing with missing or broken drivers. To reinstall them, open Device Manager and then go to Display Adapters. Right-click your NVIDIA card and uninstall it. Then head to NVIDIA's official drivers page to download and reinstall the latest driver for your GPU. Once installed, restart your system to apply changes. Whether you enable or disable the NVIDIA GPU Activity icon depends on your workflow. It's a lightweight utility that gives insight into real-time GPU usage, but it's not essential for everyone. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to remove the NVIDIA GPU Activity notification area icon on the Windows taskbar, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.